Nature is not just a view, it's an ultimate experience. Today I am going to show you the little garden view. So, this is my cow. Her presence purifies our surrounding and her gazing style teaches us the patience. So, this is monk plant. This is neem plant. I suggest you all to please uh, plant this plant at your home. This is raw mango. This is used for making pickles and all. So, this is the fresh beginning. By the way, this time in my garden there is more mangoes than last year. Last year was very less. So this time I will enjoy it, and if you want, then I will send it to you also. You can comment down. So this is a papaya tree. So this is a very small. So this time this is growing slowly. So this is green grass and all. This is for cow only. And this is a lemon, you can see this is for lemonade and also for sattu and all. So while making sattu and all, this is very good, and it brings the ultimate taste. So after raining, you can see my garden, all greenery and all dust particles and all are removed from the leaves. It is brightening and looks beautiful green. So this is a guava. This is a big nimbu. So this is you can see the flowers. Its own flowers has came here in this. So this one is for cucumber and yellow flower it is. So this is for my cow. You can comment down the name of this insect. I don't know the name. This one is linseed and the oil is extracted from it. So thank you all. Hope you liked this video, this garden view, and if you want to tell anything about this video or anything suggestion you want to tell, you can comment it down and you can share this video to your friends. And thank you so much. So hope you liked. Thank you.